Welcome back everyone. In this video we will talk about the shadows for our text, for an image and for a box. So let's dive into the code. Okay, first of all let's have a pair of elements, each one, code start, and let's have image. So my image is gonna be logo. Coming to our style.css, I will target my h1 and give it a shadow. So I write text shadow. It takes it takes some values. So the first value we can define about the horizontal offset. So I give it for now 3 pixel. The second value is for the vertical offset, so I again give it 3 pixel. Then the third value is about the blurriness. So for now let's have it 5 pixel. And the last value it takes is about the color, which kind of color you want to have it. So for now let's give it red. If you refresh your page, then the more you give the offset, so it will be far from your text. For example, if I give it 20 pixel, you see now the shadow is very far according to horizontal. So because it is positive, so it's going to the right. If I give it to negative 20, it is going to the left border. Let's come to our image. We should resize it first because it is creating problem. So the height for this one is gonna be 100 pixel. The width 100 pixel. Okay, now it is resized, and let's talk about this shadow again. So as I told you, the first value is about the horizontal offset. So if the more you give the number, so the more it will go to right or the left, positive right, negative left. So let's have it for this example, let's have it 3 pixel. Suppose if I give this one 20 pixel, so it's gonna go down because the positive you give it will go down. But if I give it maybe negative 9 pixel, it will go upper. But I think let's have it 4 may work for this example. Yeah, so the second one, that the third value is about the blurriness. So for now I had 5. If I give it maybe 40, so you may not be, yeah, you see that the shadow is barely visible because it is very blurred. So for this example I'm going to have it 5 pixel. And the last value is about the color of your shadow. So for now I have red, but you can define any color you want. And also it can take another shadow as well with the same value. So you separate them by a comma and you copy and paste all of them. So I will have it minus 3 pixel, and the color should be maybe this one. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think it's good, but let's have it also 3 minus 3. Yeah, now I think it is a bit better. It was all about the shadow for the text. Let's apply that for our image as well. So I will come here and give it box shadow. If you write box shadow and you give the same properties, the same values, 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 5 pixel, and let's have the color to be black. You see now our image has this shadow and it looks like a 3D. Or you can have it in any angle you want just by changing these values. If you want to have another box, you should have one div, and coming to our style.css, you write div. You want to target that, you write box shadow and giving the same height and width. So yeah, you can apply the shadow for your text, for any image, for any box that you want. It was all about today. See you in the next video. Thank you.